Welcome to our travel channel and blog. I am happy to present you the beautiful Cambodia, the land of smiles. As the name says, we met here beautiful people that are very glad to share their lifestyle with the tourists, and they will guide you through their history, culture and traditions with a smile on their faces. Just don't hesitate to visit Cambodia if you can. Cambodia is a country located in the southern portion of the Indochina Peninsula in Southeast Asia. The capital and largest city is Phnom Penh, the political, economic, and cultural center of Cambodia. So, the best time to visit is you can visit the country at any time of the year. Also, the period from December to January is the ideal time to travel to the place due to comparatively low humidity levels, cool breeze, and minimal rainfall. Khmer is the official language. Chinese and Vietnamese are also spoken. English is commonly spoken in Cambodia. The currency of Cambodia is the Cambodian riel, but tourists can pay anything in dollars. Food prices. A meal in a cheap restaurant it will cost you $3 and in a mid-range restaurant for two persons $20. I will tell you now everything about the experience we had there. So, in our day one, early in the morning, after our breakfast, we set off by speedboat on the Mekong River, and after a few hours, we managed to get to Cambodia Phnom Penh. Arriving in Cambodia, we got on the bus, and on the way to the hotel, we stopped at the National Museum, the Genocide Museum, the Royal Palace, and Phnom Penh Night Market. Day 2. Although the day before we had visited quite a few attractions of the city of Phnom Penh, we had not yet managed to discover everything, and we had a free day for ourselves, separate from the group we were traveling with. We decided to visit the other attractions, Chong Ek, and at night we went to Phnom Penh Night Market. Day 3. In the morning, after our breakfast, we headed to the Wat Phnom, a famous stupa in the capital of Cambodia. After that, we headed to the Independence Monument, Phnom Penh. We went to visit the ruins of the temple Ko Kher of Cambodia that are in that forest for hundreds of years. There were many groups of tourists, and the locals, when they saw the tourists, smiled at them and asked them if they wanted to take pictures with them. It was a nice experience, and I would like you to present you our memories. Day 4. We set off for the floating village of Tonle Sap. On our way back to the hotel, we decided to visit the temple Phnom Bakheng. We were happy that we did not miss these attractions. We liked very much our visit to the temple. Day 5. On the last day of our trip, we finally arrived in Siem Reap, and we were very excited waiting for the main attractions of the trip, to see Angkor Wat and Angkor Thom. Here were many world-famous people like Jacqueline Kennedy, Japan's Prince Akishino, Bill Clinton, Mark Zuckerberg, Hillary Clinton, Beyoncé, Michelle Obama, David Beckham, Eva Longoria, and Angelina Jolie, who filmed scenes from the movie Tomb Raider here. We also visited the Terrace of the Elephants. On our website, you will find in our written travel guide a lot of ideas of where to stay because we are collaborating with the best companies in the world like Booking.com and Trip.com and many more. So if you like to see the best hotels, mid-range hotels, or also B&Bs, you are welcome to visit our website and you will find everything you need there. So, I will show you now everything you need to know about the traditional food, and you can read more about it also on our website. So, here is the food you can try, and I hope you will enjoy it. So, the best restaurants you can find in Siem Reap: Jomnan's Kitchen, the dining room at Park Hyatt, Khmer Grill, Angkor Ridge Restaurant, Blue Pumpkin, Cuisine Wat Damnak, Mali's in Phnom Penh, but you can also find many more restaurants. You are free to search on the internet and you will find the best for you. Also, in Phnom Penh, we found a couple that are very good. Warung Bali, Freebird Bar and Grill, Lemongrass Restaurant, Fritz, Chiang Mai Riverside, Artillery Cafe Phnom Penh. Also, here you can search on the web if you want to find out more. You can also read on our website and you can get more information about what you need. Travel tips for Cambodia. Arrange an e-visa in advance if traveling overland into Cambodia. Check out regional budget airlines flying into Cambodia. Cambodia had a short high season and a long low season. Consider a visit in the April to October. Buy a local SIM card to have on roaming charges. Bars and restaurants through Cambodia go recklessly and offer 1000 real beers during their happy hours. Travel by local Cambodia public transportation. You can pick up tasty local fare for cheap in Cambodia. The long distance bus is the cheapest way to get around Cambodia. Do as the locals do and buy a krama, a Czech traditional scarf for your travels. You can also find out more information about how to save money here because we are collaborating with the best tours operators in the world like city sightseeing, big bus tours, get your guide, Viator, tickets, and many more. So if you can compare the prices, you will find the best for you, I'm sure. Of course, you can also book your dream vacation with us, as we are collaborating with the best companies in the world like Orbitz, Travel Talk, Expedia, Cheap Tickets, and as we are located in Germany, we are also collaborating with Check24 is Check24 is the best. So you will find the best deals for your vacations. We also collaborate with Trafalgars and many more. So, let's talk a bit about shopping. What can you buy in Cambodia? You can buy sculptures, rice wine, textiles, silverware and jewelry, antiques, basketry, betel nut boxes, t-shirts and tailored clothing, wood carvings, golden gems, silver, sculptured reproductions, silks and scarves. So, what are the best places to shop? You can go to the Russian market in Phnom Penh, in Psart May also, and in Siem Reap you can go to Artisans, Angkor Siem Reap, Angkor Night Market, Aha Fair Trade Village, Samatoa, Trang, Psar Cha. So what's the best way to get around Cambodia? Famed for its temples, jungles and beaches, Cambodia is a relatively compact country, making it quite easy for travelers to navigate. Roads have improved massively in recent years, but conditions can vary widely from the dry to the wet season, and getting around is cheap rather than quick. The two best ways for getting from one place to the other in Cambodia are by air and private car. Flying between cities is an inexpensive and popular option among visitors, while private cars provide the most comfortable and convenient mode of transportation. Other travel options such as boats and ferries, buses, taxis and bicycles do exist, but they are usually time consuming and inconvenient. If you want to rent a car, we have on our website the best companies that will help you to get the best car rental deals. So, let's talk about how can you get here. The best response to how to reach Cambodia is to take a direct flight. One can board a flight from any of the major cities of India like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata. The major airports of Cambodia are Phnom Penh International Airport and Siem Reap International Airport. There are no direct flights to Cambodia from Europe, North America, Australasia, or South Africa. So if you plan to fly into the country, you'll need to get a connecting flight from elsewhere in Southeast or East Asia. There are plenty of daily flights, many non-stop, from London Heathrow to Southeast Asian cities, with some airlines offering connections to Phnom Penh. Flight times vary depending on routing. The most direct route is via Bangkok, around 11 to 12 hours from London, plus another 1 hour on to Phnom Penh, followed by Kuala Lumpur and Ho Chi Minh City, Saigon. Flying from the east coast of North America to Cambodia is quickest to travel via Europe. There are daily flights from New York and Los Angeles to Bangkok, Hong Kong, Kuala Lumpur, and Singapore, all of which have onward connections to Phnom Penh. Conversely, from the west coast, it may well be quicker and cheaper to fly westward via an Asian city such as Seoul or Taipei. The latter has direct connections to Phnom Penh on Eva Air. There's a wide selection of flights from Australia and New Zealand to Bangkok, Kuala Lumpur, Singapore, and Ho Chi Minh City, with onward connection to Phnom Penh and Siem Reap. So we can help you in every way possible because we are collaborating with the best companies in the world like Qatar Airways, One Travel, cheapair.com, cheapoair.com, Australian Airlines, Volotea, a lot of options for you so you can find the best flight for you and the best flight deals. We can also check on a map and you can see everywhere you can find the best hotel, see where Cambodia is located, and find many more informations on our website. Thank you for being with us today, and we hope that you enjoyed our travel guide and you found every information you needed here. And we invite you to follow us on social media, on TikTok, and subscribe to our website. And you can also find us on Pinterest. Thank you very much, and we wish you safe travels. With love, Alex and Christian.